one I'm going to be doing a makeup collection. So the first thing I'm going to start out is with my both True Colors palette. These lip glosses, let me get them all. I'm getting filled up. Out of my lip glosses. These are all of my lip glosses. These lip glosses. And then I have this. Then I have a eyeliner. Then I have lipsticks and lip glosses in here again. Here's a double-sided one. Okay, let me put everything back quickly. Okay. And then I'm going to move on to my, and then I forgot this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, now I'm moving on to my body bling. This one and this one. My nail polishes are these nail polish colors. And then I have these. Then I have Cherry Splash, Cherry Kiss, which I love, and then Tropical Punch, and a Bun Maker. Bun. Here's my little dolly. And by the way, my name is Alexa, and remember to comment me. Bye.